it's Echochi. I know. Please don't attack me. I haven't made a video in a month, and 2 reasons why. I had passed out and had to be in the hospital, in the emergency room, and I passed out because of a pain in my arm I had woken up with, and from exhaustion after drawing for like 6 hours. It was my first time doing that, so that was a mistake. And I've also been really busy because I'm moving currently, and we're trying to pack everything we can at the break because since we're home now and I have siblings, they don't do crud. So, but to make it up for it, I had the time to do some art, and I got this beauty right here, a black long, and I'm going to give it away. And this will end whenever I want to, when I have enough, because I don't really care if I get more subscribers because of this. But if you want, you can subscribe. That's not a requirement. I'm just going to do it in a really special way, my own way, because I'm Echochi. I do what I want. Okay, so let's get started. So, to win this giveaway, you're going to have to comment down below. Doesn't matter if you subscribe or like. I enjoy both, but you don't have to do that. You have to comment your username, if you're a member or non-member, so that I know whether to gift you or trade you. Tell me about yourself. What are your favorite hobbies? And compliment yourself. That's what I want. Because I don't really care if I pick a random generator, because I'm going to read through all of them. Hi, Crow! I'm not sure if you can hear that, but I heard it. I am right next to the window, and I'm not sure if it's opened. Which one would be deserving to win? Because there's a thing I do on Animal Jam, and if I don't want to make a video or like give away something, but like wait for it, I'm not gonna do that, because I have the tendency to just give out random stuff to random people because I don't need them. I don't have a purpose for them other than just giving it away, or like my main look, but that's only one and I already have 2, so I don't need 2 of them. So anywho, I have some other things. Oh wow, hi. Some other things I will be doing to make sure that I pick the fair winner, and if you don't win, it's completely fine. I'm gonna have more giveaways, and you will not be entered if you're being rude to other people, being disrespectful, had bad behavior around my channel before. It doesn't matter if you unsubscribe or dislike. I just care about giving to you guys, okay? So, I'm Echochi, and bye-bye. Okay, so never mind. I'm deciding whether the due date, and that will be when there is at least, once it reaches 15 entries, you will have 3 days to comment down below, and in that 3 days after the 15 entries, I will end the giveaway. You better watch. So if you happen to be one of those people who just don't follow the rules, then I'm sorry you can't enter. Okay, bye.